Now we wait 1 day. But we don't have 1 day, right, dude? We gotta go get some rice.
Right now.
Right now. What's up, dude?
Good.
How you doing?
Good.
Thank you for the rice.
Of course.
Balti has old rice here. This is what we're gonna make the fried rice with. All right, we got the rice, dude.
Sounds perfect.
Okay, so we need day-old rice to make the perfect fried rice. Well, at least good fried rice. You need day-old fried rice.
Day-old rice.
Day-old, not day-old fried rice, day-old rice.
Day-old rice.
Cool. Day-old rice and fresh rice. Now, here's the reason. See this old day-old rice? It's dry. See how it easily separates and comes apart? This is easier to fry, so I'm gonna get a nicer, crispier fried rice, as opposed to fresh rice, which is gonna be hella sticky. It's gonna stick together. It's obviously wet, so it's not gonna fry up good. So what I do is, I'll just take whatever leftover rice I have, kind of separate it on a sheet tray, and then just put it into the fridge overnight. Okay, ketchup. Here's the part where everyone started freaking out in the video. It's actually very commonly used in fried rice, and it's delicious. It's gonna caramelize, it's gonna be good. But I'm gonna mix ketchup and kimchi. Kimchup. Kimchi ketchup, try it, it's so good. Now for my meatball, I'm gonna be using onions and garlic. Don't judge me for the pre-packaged peeled garlic. This stuff is very handy. Garlic paste. Pan of choice is a carbon steel wok. This wok has a lot of memories. I've cooked like thousands of fried rice orders in this thing. I stole it from the restaurant I worked at. I love this thing. Anyways, stay tuned on how to clean this guy at the end of the video. Next up is, I don't really remember what they're called. I guess like a wok ladle. It's got a wood handle like this, a rounded area like this. You'll see why. Okay, first thing, I'm gonna get some rice oil. That's gonna go in there. And then I'm gonna toss in my onions and garlic. Now this is gonna go very quickly, so we gotta work fast here. Now once I got some color on that, I'm gonna do some New York strip, just cubed up in there. Typically what I'll do is I'll use this wok ladle and then just put it on the plate, call it good. But let's do it a little prettier. I can put it into a little bowl like such. Here's some chive powder from that last viral chive video. And then some togarashi. This is like a nori sesame spice. It's really good. You already know, gotta have kewpie mayo. All right, this one's for you, dude. There you go. Comment down below if you want a video on how to clean a wok.